Welcome to this week's video where I'm going to show you how you can add someone as an admin to your Facebook page. Sometimes if you want some help and if you hate your own social media and want someone else to do it for you, you can just add someone to your Facebook page as an admin so that this person has all the rights. There are also some other roles that you can give them, but it's as simple as going to your Facebook page. So search your Facebook page at the top, or most of the time you will be able to find it on the right hand side here when you're on the main screen. But once you're at your Facebook page, you see here at the top right hand side that it says settings, and that's the thing that we want to click. And if you scroll a bit further down, you see on the left hand side there are quite a few things that you can use and you can change, but the one we're looking for is page roles. Once you click on page roles, you will be redirected to the page where you can do that. So you can see that there are you can assign someone a new page role. You just have to type in their name. Let's say we want to have Tom Knight be one of our editors. Or an admin. I would type in his name, click it here, and then choose admin for him, and then click add. If you can't find them here, you can also use the email address that they're using on Facebook, or the one that you have. They will get a notification and then they can access all of that. And as you will be able to see here, all the rights that they will get once you make them an admin. This changes depending on what you're adding here. So make sure you click on all of that so that the person you're sharing your page with has the rights they need. And if you can scroll further down, you will see who already has roles on your page and who is the owner of the page. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope this was helpful, and see you again next time. Bye. That's it for today. So if you've liked this video and it was helpful at all, give me a thumbs up or give me a few comments below. Or you can subscribe to my channel, but I'm not sure where it is. So maybe it's a red button, has a bell on it. So click the bell and follow my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.